Good morning. Welcome to my greenhouse journal. So, greenhouse video journal. So, I'm just so pleased because kahit papaano, lumalabas na ang mga babies. So, this is how I water them. At least controlled ko lang yung drops. So, yeah. It's a recycled. Ayun na si bunching onion showing. So many things to do in the garden. Yung mga yon I plan to i-transplant na siya sa soil para mapakinabangan ko na din yung ibang tawag dito, yung mga styro boxes for the other plants. And yeah, it's time to plant new bunching onions through hydroponic system ulit. So, magre-retire na sila dyan. Although, pag ginugupit ko naman kasi, tumutubo siya ng ganyan. So, here's the tomatoes. So, ito pa-plant ko na din siya. No sign for okra. No sign of okra. Ayosip. Meron dyan. Need na yata nilang matransplant.